Welcome to U Prime Podcast. These are a bunch of podcasts that we're doing that should be in the public domain. These are being done for the public interest. So we get started with the opening podcast.
All right, yeah, and one more thing. There was a phrase that you mentioned in the article that was math is more structured and has reasoning.
Yeah.
So, do you think science doesn't have structure or reasoning?
Oh, okay. So I was let me get the context here. Like I was using the words reason and structure in the context of disproving a popular myth that mathematics is all about numbers and calculations, which isn't the case.
Yeah.
We've been fed up in this education system wherein people think if you add up a couple of numbers quickly, you're numerically very aware, which is true, but that discipline is not called mathematics. That discipline is called arithmetic. And mathematics is not arithmetic. And the real mathematics is something that is more close to logic, wherein like you have to make a statement and have a deductive reasoning scheme in which you make consecutive statements and you prove something. So that would mean it's more reasoning based is what I meant. I didn't think like physics is not reasoning based.
Right.
Even for that matter, disciplines like physics and chemistry borrow the language of mathematics and use it extensively in publishing any paper. So if you take up any stereotypical garden variety physics paper, you will probably see a smattering of mathematics in all the pages, which is because mathematics is a language that gives you clarity and gives you precise way by which you can communicate complex ideas.
Right.
So that hasn't been displaced yet. So mathematics has been a lingua franca in scientific communication. Thanks everyone for watching the podcast. I hope you had a good time understanding and listening to all these things. Hope you come back and watch more.